Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 S550 4MATIC. This one is a magnetite black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Black leather interior, ambient lighting, brill walnut trim, panorama sunroof, S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Distronic Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a burr walnut and leather steering wheel, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear shade, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, sports and comfort mode, volume, and our hard keys for our media display. This S-Class has 81,525 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.